Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, December 3rd, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, in regular math, there is no homework as we had our Module 6 quiz today. We also have a Christmas ad extra credit opportunity for both regular math and honors. You need to bring in Christmas ads. You can earn a maximum of 5 points. Each ad is worth half a point. You have 1 week to do that. Honors math, you also have assignment lesson 8.1 tonight. In science, we have an assignment called Calculating Distance and Time. It's going back to our speed unit that we are working on. In social studies, you need to create a hanging gardens advertisement. That will be done in Google Classroom. In language arts, we need to revise our persuasion map. You started this in class working with a partner to go through and to make changes. In literature, we have library tomorrow. Our character cube activity is due Wednesday, and our plot packet is due on Friday. Those are both hard copy pieces of paper. Also, make sure you are reading. As we said, we've got 34 days left of AR until points are due this quarter. And last but not least, we have an extended deadline for our Soldiers Holiday package items. We've extended that deadline to Wednesday of this week. That's it for today. Have a great day.